I got CNC Base up here. It's running in simulation mode because I'm not connected to the machine. You can see I don't have my air vise over here. So this is spindle on, off, and direction, and then shield open and close. So what I need to do is close this and go into CNC Base configuration, options, reinstall my air vise. You can see it's there. Click OK. Do you want to run? Yes. Let's see how long this takes to load up here. CNC Base, let's just get it opened. And now we can see, because I reinstalled it, the third one down is my vise. So hopefully that's your issue. Please let me know if you need anything else.